Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix TikTok is not working problem. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, what should you do? You just need to go on this Play Store in your phone and just go to search bar and type TikTok. So after find it, search it. Now you can see your TikTok is not update. So if your TikTok is not update, make sure your TikTok is update. You need to update your TikTok at first. So after update your TikTok, then let's back. And after that, what should you do? You just need to go on your phone settings and find out settings. Now you need to scroll down, and after scroll down you can get a option apps. So open on these apps. So after that, select on manage apps, and now you need to find out TikTok. So for that I just type on search bar TikTok. So open on it. So after open it, select on clear data, then clear cache, then okay. And now let's back. And after doing that, your TikTok is working. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.